Ever see those satisfying loop videos that never seem to end, and wonder how it's done? Loopable videos are super engaging, especially on Instagram Reels. They keep people watching and can even boost your views and reach. But making them isn't just about slapping clips together. It takes a few tricks. Before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe for more video editing tips that boost your content performance. Let's break it down. Step 1. Choose the right content. Great loop videos work when the ending smoothly matches the beginning. Think a candle lighting and blowing out, pouring a drink, a spinning object, or something that returns to its original position. Step 2. Use a reverse trick. You can create perfect loops by using the reverse effect. Take a clip, then duplicate it and reverse the second half. So the video plays forward, then backward, creating a seamless loop. Apps like CapCut, Mobile, Premiere Pro, or DaVinci Resolve, Desktop, let you do this in seconds. In CapCut, import the clip, duplicate it, tap one and hit reverse, then trim both ends to avoid jarring cuts. Export in 9:16 if it's for Reels or TikTok. Step 3. Add subtle music or SFX. To make the loop less obvious, use ambient sounds or music that fades and slash out without noticeable drops. If this helped you create smooth loops, hit the like button and subscribe. We post video editing hacks every week. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.